Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. So today, guys, we're going to be doing some more caricature drawing. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a quick cartoon drawing. So this is going to be our model, Mr. Curry. I've been studying some new stuff about how to do the caricature. I've been working really more with myself on more expression in my cartoons. So you'll see me do a lot of the same caricatures over again, just to show you that, to take that monotone kind of a feel out of their face, we want to go with something that looks a little bit more alive. So once again, that's where Rouser had to struggle at, and I've been practicing on that. So I want to share that information with you guys with this video. So what I'll do here is I'll go ahead, guys, and I'll start by doing my eyebrow shape here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyes about right here. Okay, now from here, what I'll do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna draw my actual jawline shape. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to start to complete my head shape. So I'm going to put my ears probably about right here. I've been learning about the art of abbreviation, and that is something that's so what's the word I'm looking for? It's a very awesome thing to learn. I think before I didn't understand that. I understood it a little bit, but not as much as I wasn't incorporating it as much as I should have been in my drawing. So I guess the most important thing is I learned it, so now I'm doing it. I'm doing it now. Okay, so what's going on next? We're going to go ahead here. We can do the eye shape here if we want. So this is what we'll do. We'll go ahead and do the top line of the eye here. 1, 2, right? Then we'll go 1, 2 like that. We'll add our little lines here, and then Mr. Curry has like a little nose. Okay, and now let's go ahead and draw a mouth shape here. So we're gonna go with something that looks a little bit like that. We're gonna give him a little bit more of a smirk there. So we're gonna do just like this. Then we're going to bring our shape around. Okay. Okay, and then we'll bring our bottom shape here. And then for the bottom lip, we just want to use a little line like that. Okay. Now let's go ahead and add our mustache here. Okay, and we'll go ahead and add his little goatee right there. Okay, we can add some little expression lines if we want. But now you can see we can use these a lot more sparingly. Okay. And now all we have to do is just add his shoulders here. And we got a real nice little drawing right there, guys. I think all we need to do now is do our little shadows. Once again, guys, you can see how this technique requires a lot less lines. I feel the face has a lot more life to it. Easily recognizable as Curry. Mr. Curry, Chef Curry. Curry with pasta. Looks like he has some we got some little, And now we're just gonna take our little black marker here. We'll go a little bit darker on this goatee. You can if you want to. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and draw this little line right here, and then what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and kind of color this in. Just like that. Okay, go ahead and fade it. I'm gonna go ahead and give him a little fade right there. I think what we want to do here, maybe use this marker again, this other little one. I don't want to make the lines too big here, and that this marker has a big point on it, so I want to go with something with a smaller point for these details I want. Okay, let's go ahead and darken in those pupils real good. And if Curry was a cartoon, this is what I think he'd look like. Right? I think it came out pretty good. Alright guys, so I think we're just about wrapped up here. I want to take this time, my friends, to thank you for watching our video tutorial. If you'd like to see your favorite celebrity drawn and featured on our show as a cartoon, you can go ahead and make a comment in the comment section of this video. We'll go ahead and put you on a request list, and then we'll get you taken care of. Also guys, don't miss the opportunity to take advantage of our online art classes. We are doing those now, so we teach you how to draw caricatures like a pro. All you have to do is to sign up is to go to Rowserworld.com/classes. We'll put you on a request list, and then we just kind of get you taken care of. Right? All right, guys. So I'm just gonna put Curry right here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and you have a blessed and wonderful day. I'll be seeing you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, There's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So, guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.